What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new channel. My name's Chef Riley, and this channel is all about just cooking, fun. We're a fun family channel, and you'll just have daily vlogs about stuff. Not vlogs, more like tutorials on how to create these amazing dishes. When I say amazing, they are amazing, trust me. And you can make all of these at your house with household items, okay? So today we will be creating our first dish on this channel, and it is one of my favorite desserts. It's an ooey gooey brownie sundae. Trust me, it's pretty good. It sounds as good as it is. So your ingredients that you need: some brownies. I chose a decent amount. I like a lot of them. Some ice cream, any kind you want. I chose cookies and cream. That's all we had. And then if you want, you can put some syrup on it. I would prefer the chocolate syrup, but we only had caramel, so that we'll have to do today, okay? Now for the recipe part of the video. So first, put the brownies in the bowl. The second step is to put the brownies in the microwave to heat them up, get ooey and gooey. And I usually do it for 30 to 40 seconds. That gets them right temperature, not too hot, not too cold. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you when I come back. So I just brought these out with the microwave. Look how ooey and gooey they are. Only if you could smell how good this smells, you would want one of this too. So that was step 2. Put them in the microwave. I did it for 40 seconds. That was perfect. So I recommend 40 seconds in the microwave. So now step 3. Put the ice cream on top of the brownies. I'm just going to dump this whole thing on it. Make sure you get all of it. Get everything. Okay. So now this is what it looks like. I'm going to spread it out a little bit more evenly over it. So now the key to this is having your brownies extra warm, because it'll help the ice cream melt and it'll just be all one perfect like substance, and it'll taste really good. So now the third and final, or the fourth and final step is putting the syrup on. It's a little messy, but I like to put a decent amount on just to get extra flavor, you know. Tastes good. So there you have it. So it's only a 4-step process, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, and you'll have a perfect sundae. So I'll give you a little taste test review, and I'll see you there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how good it looks. Yeah. So that was 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, and it creates something so good. And look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. So good. It is very good. Thanks for watching my first video. I don't know what I'm doing really, so I was just winging it. So stay tuned for more. There's definitely more to come on the way. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Comment if you want to see some dishes, and I'll maybe make them if I have them around the house, because it's a household dish episode series, you know? You feel me? Okay, yeah. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Stay positive. Let's get it, boys and girls.